Okay, so what we're going to do now is we are going to create a syllabus area in your course where we can post the syllabus and other information documents for the course. So if you don't already have a syllabus course area, up in this left-hand corner, click the plus sign and select content area, and we'll name it syllabus. And you want to make it available to students. So it'll pop up down there. And then what you want to do is you want to click and drag and put it underneath start here so it's easy to find. So go ahead and click on syllabus, and as you can see, we have a blank content area. So what we want to do is we want to select build content and item. And this is where you're going to actually post your syllabus. So you'll name it syllabus. And you want to have multiple formats for your syllabus. So we're going to do just text on the screen. We're going to do a doc file, and we're going to do a PDF. And the reason you do all of these different formats is to improve accessibility, because there might be someone in your class who has auditory or visual disabilities, and if you post your syllabus simply as a PDF, some screen readers won't be able to read that information to the student. So we always want to design course materials with accessibility in mind. That means if you have a video, think about captions, stuff like that, to make it accessible to the most amount of students. So that's why we kind of post things in triplicate and in multiple formats. So now we have our syllabus. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take my syllabus and I'm going to put it in this text area, and I'm going to select paste. Now it pops up saying your web browser does not support this behavior. This is kind of frustrating. So in Blackboard, or in our version of Blackboard, you can't just cut and paste using the mouse. You have to use the keyboard shortcuts. So we're going to use Control V to paste. So I'm going to hit Control V. And there is my syllabus. All right, cool. So it'll say the attached document includes course policies, grade scales, and stuff like that. So this is my syllabus. And then I also want to attach the PDF version and the Word version of my syllabus. So I'm going to browse my computer and find those files on my desktop. So here we have my syllabus as a Word doc and my syllabus as a PDF. So I'll select both of those by clicking Control, or pushing down the Control button and clicking that second syllabus, say open. And so it's saying that it's going to create a link to this file. I want users to view the comment. You can also click on track number of views, which will give you a good idea of how many students are accessing your syllabus. And then hit submit. And give that a minute to load. And there we have it. So we have syllabus created. Here's the syllabus as rich text here, just on the screen. And then we have the syllabus as a PDF, so you can click that and open it. And look at all the information. So this will be the same information here in the PDF that would be here. All right. So also in this area, you want to create a section for your course calendar, because that's another course information document. So we're going to select build content, create item, and you're going to call it, you're going to call it course calendar. All right. And then what you're going to do is the same thing as before. You're going to actually cut and paste your course calendar from your course calendar document if you created it in Word or anything like that. And then you're going to dump it here. So on my course calendar, I like to include the week as well as when the lesson is open and when the items in the lesson are due. Ideally, you should have everything open at the start of class, or at least a couple weeks worth at the start of class. And then the only thing for me that's not really open is the final exam, because they don't get to see that until a week before it's due. All right, so we're going to do the exact same thing we did with the syllabus document. You want to browse your computer and you want to go look to where you saved your course calendar as a PDF and as a document. And so we're going to select open. As you can see, we've got those documents here. And then we also want to track number of views. So you can also do that if you wish, just so you can see. And then hit submit. Give that a minute. And if we scroll down all the way to the bottom, here we have our course calendar, and our course calendar is as a PDF and as a doc.